Some tips and tricks specifically for the iPhone 13. Use Face ID. Set up Face ID during the initial setup or in settings greater than Face ID and passcode to securely unlock your iPhone, authenticate app purchases, and more. Explore A15 Bionic chip capabilities. The iPhone 13 is equipped with the powerful A15 Bionic chip. Take advantage of its faster performance and improved energy efficiency for a smoother overall experience. Enjoy Pro Motion Display. The iPhone 13 Pro models feature a Pro Motion display with a variable refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, offering smoother scrolling and more responsive touch interactions. Use Quick Note. Swipe up from the bottom right corner of the screen with an Apple Pencil, or use your finger, to quickly jot down notes using Quick Note. It works on any screen and is accessible from the lock screen, home screen, or within apps. Enhanced camera features. The iPhone 13 series boasts improved camera capabilities. Experiment with features like Photographic Styles, Night Mode, ProRAW, and Cinematic Mode to take stunning photos and videos. Explore focus modes. iOS 15 introduced focus modes, allowing you to customize your notifications based on different scenarios like work, personal, or do not disturb. Access these modes from Control Center or in settings greater than focus. Use Live Text. With iOS 15, you can extract text from images using Live Text. Simply point your camera at printed text or access it from your Photos app to select, copy, and paste text from images. Try out Visual Lookup. Similar to Google Lens, Visual Lookup allows you to identify objects, landmarks, plants, and animals within your photos. Access it in the Photos app by tapping the information icon, "I," on a photo. Use enhanced privacy features. iOS 15 offers improved privacy features, such as mail privacy protection, app privacy reports, and Siri processing on device. Take advantage of these tools in settings to enhance your privacy.